A good video editing tool should have the following 7 convenient functions: split, delete, resolution and frame rate, cutout, crop, audio split, text and stickers. 1. Split video. When we open VideoAE, when we start to make imported videos, we can find that the import interface supports clipping of unwanted videos. Of course, if you want to delete the content in the middle, you can move the time needle after importing the video to the time position to be divided. Find the partition function in the tools in the lower left corner. Click to divide the video into 2 parts, and the video layer can be divided multiple times. 2. Delete. Select the unwanted video layer content and click the delete button above to delete the unwanted content. 3. Resolution and frame rate. Video footage comes in various scales, but not every scale can meet our needs. Click the resolution button in the upper right corner to modify the resolution at this time, which can be modified proportionally or at will. The right button can modify the frame rate. 4. Cutout. The material we download may also have a background, which is a more troublesome thing. For example, my material here contains a green background. How to remove it? You can find the cutout function button in the tools in the lower left corner. There are many ways to cut out, because here we only need to remove the green color. So I choose the last function, color cutout. After entering, click directly in the background. Green is enough. You can see that it is very easy to eliminate the green, but there is still a little edge is not perfect. You can click further, increase the size value a little and then select GIF format. You can see this when the background has been eliminated. It may not be obvious enough. For example, here I create a color layer and put it on the bottom layer to see that Spider-Man is actually a transparent background material. 5. Crop video. What if I only want part of a video? Find the clip function in the tools in the lower left corner. After entering, you can customize or crop the video content you want according to a certain proportion. 6. Audio segmentation. The most commonly used function of video editing is audio split. Select the video layer with audio. Click the toolbox in the lower left corner to see the audio split function. Click to form a separate image of the audio of the video layer. You can delete this audio layer or do some other operations on this audio layer. 7. Text and stickers. In video production, it is inevitable to add some stickers or text descriptions. VideoAE supports various materials, including adding stickers and text. How about it? VideoAE function is very rich. Every small function is a daily necessity. Hurry up to download and use it with me.